Hello, in front of me I've got THRUSTMASTER H.E.A.R.T. In this video I'll show you how to manually change mapping of the buttons. In the beginning, press Profile button to select profile you would like to remap. Next, press Mapping button. LED strip will start blinking. Press and hold button you would like to remap. And next, while holding it, press button you would like to map on this button. Controller will vibrate and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.